I'll be answering various questions. So in case you have any question, please ask it. It will be an awesome time. We'll share strategies as we are talking about a lot of things pertaining to Deriv, but mainly we will be focusing on trading live while building income. Okay, so you're very welcome to today's live stream. We'll be starting very shortly. Hello, welcome to today's live stream, guys. Welcome all. I'm glad to see each and every one of you. We will be starting very shortly. I'm excited for today's live stream, so yeah, it will be awesome. It will be awesome. Be ready. Hello guys, welcome to today's live stream. I'm glad to see another of you. Yeah, you can say your highs as you're joining so that you are ready to start. And so that I'm able to see you when you're joining. I appreciate every comment that is written here. Yeah, so in case it is your first time or basically you're just joining us, just say hi, where you're watching from. Yeah, it will be appreciated. Okay, and please ensure you like the live. It will go a long way. Right. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys for joining. We're about to start anytime from now. We are about to start. Awesome. So I think I'm ready on my side. We can anytime now we can start. I can see everything is okay. All right, so guys, we begin looking for a market. Yesterday the session was amazing. Yeah, we really had a great time yesterday. So for today, let us begin and see what the market has in store for us. Okay, awesome. So right now, okay, let us start with 100. Volatility 100 over 1 is not favorable again. This is too strong out, and also here is too strong also out. So in this particular market, over 1 under 8 automatically out. Let me go to another one. 101S. Yeah, we cannot trade also under 8 because 7 is too strong, 6 is too close, automatically out. For those who are joining us, we are currently trading live on Deriv, so please feel free to join us. All right, currently we are looking for a good over 1 or under 8 market. Yeah, so that is where we are at as of right now. Okay, yeah, Steve Momo, thank you for joining. Okay, so guys, we continue looking for a market. Yesterday it was awesome, but today we can do more awesome or more better. Okay, so we continue. This one also is a bit unconducive. Let me leave that one. Let me go to 75 and see how it is. 75, how are you? No. 51S, let me see how it is. No. 25, let me see how it is. 25. Okay, the problem with this one is that 7 is too strong here. Even though these two are exemplary beautiful, yeah, these two can put us in a very bad position, so we do not want that. Okay, awesome. So let us go to another one. So 25 out, we go to 15. Let's see how 15 is faring. 15 over 1 under 8 automatically out. They're not conducive for us. Let me go to 90 on S. How is it? How nice. For those who are joining us currently, we are looking for a good over under market, so please feel free to join us. Tivaski, thank you for joining. Yeah, guys, you can send your highs as you're joining to be appreciated. Okay, this one is a good one, but the problem is 6 is too close to us. Remember, the green circle should always, the green circle, if you're trading under 8, should always be 2 numbers away, okay? So if you're trading under 8, the green circle should never be on 6. It should never be on 7, okay? Yeah, Esha Rosemary, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, guys. I appreciate each one and every one of you. Thank you for making time to be here. Caroline Mwende, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, guys. I appreciate you a lot. So let us leave 90 on S alone. Let us go back to 100 and see if the 100 is a bit better again. No, automatically out. We go to 100 on S. How is it? Koniwanjiro, thank you for joining. Alex, thank you for joining. Pastor Precious, thank you for joining. I appreciate you. Enzo, Ambrose, and everyone else. Eshakanze, everyone, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Yeah, welcome to today's live stream. Yesterday it was an awesome trade session, so we are hoping that today can be even better. Okay. So currently we are looking for a good over-under market. That is where we are at right now. So you can participate. You can help me find a market. In this live session, if you feel you are ready to trade on your real account, trade. If you've been afraid to trade on your real account, trade with us. If you're a beginner, use your demo. Okay. And if it is your first time, you can just watch what you're doing. In case you have any question and you're wondering what you're doing, ask. Okay. I usually read every single comment, every single question. So in case you feel you have a question, please feel free to ask it immediately you have it. Okay. Yeah. Isaac Mwangi, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Enoch, thank you for joining. Esha Rosemary, you can see a saying, quick question with an amount of 40 USD. All right, so 40 USD. Okay, let me come here. Yeah, with 40 USD, so whatever account you have, 20% should be the maximum profit you should target in a day. In a day, this is the maximum. So if it is 40, it's 40 times 20%, which is about $8, okay? 8 USD. So when you have 8 USD, the next day you'll have 48. So 48 times 20, you keep on going like that, okay? So whatever account you have, 20% should be the maximum profit you target in a day. Finesse Touch, thank you for joining. How fast is the internet? My internet is, I think, about 80 Mbps, 80. But yeah, so the minimum, the minimum internet should be, the minimum speed of your internet should be 15 Mbps, 15. Okay, your internet should not be lower than this if you're trading on Deriv. All right? Yeah, if it is lower than this, you can buy data bundles so that when you're trading, you can be using the data. And then when you finish trading, you can now go back to your internet. But if you know your internet is less than 15 Mbps, please do not use it. It is better you purchase data and you use it, okay? Yeah, remember, slow internet speeds can really affect your trades in a very bad way, okay? Yeah, Isha Rosemary, you're very welcome. Yeah, guys, if you have any question appertaining Deriv, any question, ask it, okay? Yeah, you have found a place whereby your questions will be heard really well. So take full advantage of it, okay? All right, so guys, we are currently, as I've said, you are about to trade over under. You're looking for a good market, a favorable market, so that we start pushing, okay? Farrell Atticus, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for joining. In case, again, you have any comment or question, ask it. All right, Steve is saying, you always say under 8 ain't easy as people say. That today stayed a whole hour waiting for a good under market 8, okay? The hard thing in this is doing nothing and wait. Yes. But yeah, that happens a lot, whereby you feel that, yeah, sometimes it may take you like a lot of time to find one market. But the main thing is that you be patient to find one. You know, some people usually become impatient and they end up trading in a market that is not favorable because they're impatient, okay? Just be patient, find a good market, and you'll be happy, all right? Sometimes it may take you only 5 seconds, sometimes 10 minutes to find a good market. Sometimes it might take you an hour. But the main thing is that at the end of the day, you find a good market, no longer how long it takes, okay? Yeah, never be in a hurry. 50 USD, 20%. Just take your whatever account size you have. Take your, if your account, assume you have XX amount in your account, take it, multiply it times 20%. The amount you get, that should be the maximum profit you should target in a day. It is not a must you hit it, but that should be basically the ceiling. Okay, yeah. Enoch, which website are you using? The website I'm using to trade is called dbtraders.com. It is found on, yeah, you can just go to dbtraders.com. Yeah, it is a random third-party website. You can use any website you want, but I usually use dbtraders.com because its interface is easy. But I only trade on the official deriv.com website. Please only do your trades on the official deriv.com website. You can use these third-party websites for the analysis tools. Like for dbtraders, so you just use it for this particular part. Okay, yeah, but only execute your trades on deriv.com. Enzo, I stayed the whole day waiting for under 8 being a trader. Yeah, it is not for the week. Okay, again, if you see that it is taking too long, you can take a break and then come back later on instead of staying there the whole day. Okay, yeah, you can just, if you see it has taken more than an hour, you can just leave, come back after 2 or 3 hours and see how it is. All right, I can see Caroline is telling me 25. Let me now check the markets. Let me see how these markets are doing right now. All right, volatility 25. Let's see how it is doing. All right, volatility 25, analyzing it for under 8, okay? All right, so let us start together. 7 is beautiful, 8 is okay, 9 is okay. When you come to this side, 6 is okay. Okay, everything is okay. The green percentage is far from us, is okay. Let me check the percentage quickly. And the percentage is not bad, which is very okay, all right? Yeah, let me compare with 10 because I like comparing all the markets and seeing which one is superior among all of them, okay? 10, volatility 10, Alex is not favorable because for over 1, 2 is too, 1 is too strong. For under 8, 8 is too strong, okay? Yeah, let us go to volatility. Was it volatility? 25, let us go to 25, 25, 25. Volatility 25 for everyone. Volatility 25. Yeah, I can see it is a bit conducive. Yeah, everything is okay here. Yeah, and the percentage is not bad. You can see also the percentage is quite nice. Yeah, let us go to volatility 25 quickly before it changes and set them both to under 8, okay? Volatility 25 under 8 quickly. Volatility 25 under 8. Oh, somebody asked if I use a trading bot. No, Vincent, I usually use a trading bot. The bot I use is called the Candle Mine version 2, okay? Yeah, so basically you come to your bot, you set it, let's say to volatility 25 like that. You come here, you set under, all right? You can see the name of the bot there. Now you can see this Candle Mine version 2, ensure your stake and the initial amount are well set, and then you come to your prediction. If you're trading under 8, you come and put 8, okay? And after that, now you are ready to trade, all right? You are ready to begin, okay? Yeah, so that is everything on my side. And that is basically how you set up a bot. The bot I'm using is the Candle Mine version 2. All right, so guys, let us go back to our market and see how it is doing right now. All right, so this market, you cannot trade it yet because remember, if you're trading under 8, this should be below 10.5, all right? This should be below 9.5, and this should be below 10.5, okay? So if you see one of these numbers has not met the conditions, something has happened. I remember, guys, if you're trading under 8, the green circle should be 2 numbers away from you, 2 to 3 numbers. So it should never be on 6, it should never be on 7. So even if this looks like a good market, automatically we are out, okay? Yeah, no, Marina, let us use 1. I came to realize that bots best operate on a 1 tick basis. So just use 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick, okay? Yeah, Ivy, for you to get a bot, WhatsApp me, my number is in the description. I usually give 100 bots, okay? So when you come to me for bots, I'll give you more than 100 bots at once, more than 100 documents, plus mentorship and guidance for life unlimited, okay? Yeah, so my WhatsApp number is in the description for that. All right, let us look for another market. This one, guys, has left us. You are a bit, I've delayed a bit. That is my bad. Yeah, we can try and find another one that is a bit better, that is a bit more conducive as compared to this one, because this one might burn us, okay? Yeah, Ivy, you're very welcome. Yeah, guys, if you have any question at all, any question that you have, ask it, okay? Don't be afraid, ask whatever question that comes to your mind, okay? All right. 100 index over 1, Enzo, I appreciate you. Let me check it out. 100 index over, is it over 1? All right. All right, guys, let us check it out. Let us check it out. Let us check it out. 100 index over 1. Okay, let us start. Let us do this together. 100 index over 1. Okay, 0 is very okay. 1 is okay. 2 is okay. When I come to, okay, the green circle is, the green circle is very strong, which is very okay. And the percentage is also fairly doing really well. So by all standards, this is a good market, okay? So let us go to our bots once again. We set them to volatility 100 over 1. And again, guys, you have to be quick. These markets change really fast, okay? Yeah, so you come and set your bot. So you come and take volatility 100. You come and set over, and then you come here and you set the prediction to 1. So it is volatility 100 over, and then 1, and then everything is set appropriately. And then now from here you can start, okay? So guys, when I say run, guys, we are entering with full unrestricted force. So guys, be ready. Volatility 100 over 1, guys, do not miss out. Please, if you're a beginner, use your demo account, but please participate, okay? You can either use your real or your demo. You're the CEO of your own trading activities, okay? But please just participate and follow along with us. Remember, guys, for us to enter our trades, we have to ensure this percentage is going up so that we enter, all right? Yeah, if it decreases like this, you can see some under trades usually end up occurring, okay? So anytime it has a decrease, losses. So you have to become really careful and really patient with it, okay? All right, so you're still there, you're still waiting. Everything is still okay up here. My eye is on the percentage because most times we usually end up we usually focus a lot on this part that we end up forgetting to look at this part, okay? So they must be congruent with each other. All right, so you can see it is decreasing. You can see every time all this could have been a loss. Imagine. So it is better you take your time, so that it has a good increase, and then you enter. As you can see right now, it is decreasing because one is becoming too strong, and as a result, it is resulting in power being pulled to the underside, okay? Anytime you're trading over one and one ends up becoming too strong, you are in danger, okay? One should actually be extremely weak so that we reduce the possibility of the market selecting it, okay? Remember, if you're trading over one, you do not want the market to select one, okay? So if you see one is gaining some strength, it is usually a sign for you to wait, and you can either wait for it to decrease or you look for another one. Remember, Deriv has given you so many options. You do not have to stick to one volatility. Chimash, evening sir, Edu, okay, here, okay, day one of our formation. I appreciate you, Thank you for joining, and you're very welcome to the Deriv Navigator Academy. We have amazing videos for you in terms of the Deriv, amazing tutorials, amazing strategies. You also do live trades, so you're very welcome, and I appreciate you being here. Changwe Mwenya, hello. Pharrell, hello. Chango, you're asking, is there an CMC? I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure, but I'll do research on that. Pharrell, hello. Thank you for joining. But yeah, thank you for joining, guys. So, okay, you can see what is happening, guys. You can see all the power has been pulled away from over to under because one is gaining some strength, okay? Yeah, so again, always look at this. If you see this percentage is decreasing by a high rate, always confirm why. Why is it doing that way, okay? All right, so guys, okay, Kanyambu, I've seen that. I will make a very nice video for you, okay? I think I'll make it tomorrow, whereby I explain the over one strategy in full depth, okay? Yeah, even though I've made some videos, I'll explain it now in full depth in a very nice video tomorrow. Kanyambu, please, okay, Pharrell, do you, no, I usually do live trading sessions, mostly from Monday to Friday between 4, I usually start either between 5 to 6, okay? Anytime between 5 to 6, you're starting, and yeah, from Monday to Friday, right, in the afternoon. East African time. Okay, let me compare 75. Okay, I've seen 75 for S under 8. Let me compare that one and see which one is better. Where is 75 for S? So is it 75 for S under 8? Okay, you can see it is favorable. Let me see the percentage of it. Okay, the percentage is a bit weak, so let us compare with 50. Let me see. 75 for S, guys. The problem with this one is that even though everything is okay up here, okay, you can see this percentage is losing a lot of strength, and I think the reason is because the difference between 6 and 2 is not that high. Yeah, you can see actually it has gained the blue circle, signifying the green circle is about to come here, okay? Yeah, you can see, and I don't know why, but and also you can see the percentage is losing some power. So if you see that, it is better you avoid it, okay? Oh, you have said 75. Okay, let me look at 7. Okay, let me compare with 51S first. Let me see 51S. Again, I told you I do not like ignoring any comment. 50, is it 51S? Oh, sorry, 51S, where is it? 51S, where is it? Okay, 51S is nice, but the problem with over 1 is that 2 is too strong, so this one can be a bit of a disadvantage for us. And again, under 7 is too strong, okay? Yeah, so this can be a bit tricky. Okay, let me compare with now 75 index. Let me see. The main aim is to find a good market, okay? Yeah, the main aim is to find a beautiful market, and the bots will do the rest. 75 index, now you can see here, 7 is okay. 8 is gone a bit too high, so we can give it a benefit of a doubt. We can wait for it to decrease. 9 is okay. The green circle is okay. Yeah, everything but in this market is okay, apart from 8. If I come and check the percentage, I can also see it is very okay, all right? So what you can do in this market right now is that we can wait for 8 to have a good decrease so that we enter. Otherwise, if it keeps increasing, we will be in danger, okay? Gloria, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, guys. If you're joining us, please ensure you like the live, okay? Double tap the screen to like, subscribe if you haven't. We have some amazing stuff for you, okay? All right, and in case you feel you're not understanding something, please feel free to ask any question at any particular time during the period of the live stream, all right? So this one, okay, guys, here I can see it is gaining a lot of strength, so this can really play against us if you decide to proceed and carry on with it, okay? So I think here you have to change. Here, and this can be a bit tricky on us. This can be a bit tricky. Tricky. Let us continue the hunt. We are hunting for a market. No. This one is a bit risky also. 15 1S. Which bot am I using? I'm using the Candle Mine version 2. Zikando Mine version 2, but you're free to use any bot as long as it is a good one. If you do not have a good bot, please ensure you get good bots. My WhatsApp number is in the description, okay? Yeah, do not use free bots, do not use bots from that party websites, kindly, okay? All right, the markets are shy today. The markets are very shy. I don't know why they are shy, but we'll find one. Okay, let me look at 100, Alex. All right, 100, let us start with over 1. Let me see how 1 is doing. 0 is okay, 1 is okay, 2 is okay. All right, let me let me come to the percentage. So okay. Guys, this one is a good one. Yeah, let us go to volatility 100 over 1. Oh, actually, you are there. Yeah, let us give it some time. We start. Guys, be ready. Volatility 100 over 1. We are starting any minute from now. And please do not be left behind. Volatility 100 over 1. I repeat, volatility, not 100 1S. I repeat, it is not volatility 100 1S. It is volatility 100. Okay? Over 1. Freddie Manuel actually give away more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents containing various trading strategies plus mentorship and guidance for life. No limitations, no expiry, no end. The bots will be yours. You will not need any third-party website. You will not need no profits of yours will be deducted. They will be your bots. You can keep them in your computer, in your phone, in your flash drive, wherever you want to put them. In case you lose them, you can always WhatsApp me and I will send you the bots once again. Okay? Yeah, so if you're interested with this, it's usually less than 20 USD. If you're interested, WhatsApp me so that you get everything. I usually give you everything you need at once and you forget about bots. Your work will now be to be learning new strategies and trading and practicing to become a better trader every single day. These are all my bots, all the bots I've been acquiring. Yeah, so I decided to share them because now, why should I stay with 100 bots while most traders do not have them? It is unfair, okay? Yeah, less than 20 USD. If you're interested, please WhatsApp me, okay? I promise you the bot will serve you really, really well. All right, so guys, we have to wait on this one. How many ticks? 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick. Please, guys, if you're using your bot, 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick. I've come to realize bots love 1 tick, okay? If you give a bot 2 ticks or 3 ticks, you reduce the efficiency of the bot. So use 1 tick, 1 tick, 1 tick. 1 tick for your bot is your friend. At all times, 1 tick. Okay? But did you WhatsApp me? Because by Telegram, I've really tried to fix it, and I'm really trying. That is why I'm not being able, but please WhatsApp me. On WhatsApp, I'm available on my 2 numbers, okay? Yeah, volatility 10. Let me see 10. Volatility 10. Let me see it. All right, guys, I can see volatility 10 is not bad. Yeah, this is actually better. Hey, guys, you have to be quick because today I'm telling you the markets are changing too fast. Go to your bot on Deriv.com, set it to volatility 10 under 8 right now because we'll be starting any minute. Because I'm telling you, yeah, today markets are changing extremely quickly. Okay, volatility 10 under 8, I'm ready on my side. 1 tick, remember to use 1 tick on your bot and be ready. Volatility 10 under 8, guys, be ready anytime now we start. Volatility 10 under 8, volatility 10 under 8. Be ready. Thank you very much, Kanyambu. Be ready, 10 and okay, run your bots now. Everyone run your bot, volatility 10 under 8. Please do not hesitate. You hesitate, you end up losing. Volatility 10 under 8, I've already started on my side. 10 under 8. Please ensure God you text me again, okay? Yeah. 10 under 8. 10 under 8, I've already started. I'm at 2 runs right now. Guys, please run your bots. Volatility 10 under 8. I repeat, 10 under 8. Okay? Alright, you are moving. We're at 3 runs right now and you're still going. We are still going. The market is good, guys. Everything is okay on the market. Please run your bot. Do not stop that bot. Okay? Yeah, we are still moving well. The percentage is going strong. Let me check out. Why have you suffered a loss? Why? I don't see a reason. I cannot see an overtrade. Can you see an overtrade? I cannot see an overtrade. I don't know why. Where is it? Okay, but the bot will do its thing. As always, we are still moving, guys. Volatility 10 under 8. You are still going. 10 under 8. 10 under 8. I'm at 7 runs right now. All right, but I'm seeing something is about to happen in the market. Okay, we are okay. Let us continue moving. Volatility 10 under 8. We are still going. I'm at 9 runs. Please, you can either join me either on your real account or on your demo, but please participate, okay? Yeah, it helps a lot. It helps build that confidence. If you are afraid to trade on your reel, you can use this live session as basically a motivating factor, and basically is something that can really encourage you to do your own trades, okay? All right, I'm at 12 runs. You're still going. So, all right. Remember, when you reach 20 runs, you stop your bot, okay? Guys, you're doing really well. Run those bots. Marina, I've recovered. Oh, by the way, my bot has not recovered. Hey, I'll check. I don't know why it has done that. Oh yeah, but they have not even noticed that. But why hasn't not recovered? Let me check out why. Why? My martingale is 4. I'll have to reload the entire thing. I've come to realize that it is only under 8 when you make a loss, there is no overtrade. What do you mean? Vision shots. I cannot see another. I cannot see. Okay, I am seeing my bot is not recovering today. I must look what is happening after it. Yeah, again, I've realized it even. I've just realized it right now. Let me stop this thing and see why. Stop. One last one. Do not lose. All right, awesome. Okay, 325, but it could have been higher if you could have recovered. Now, my prediction is okay. My martingale is okay. I do not see a reason why it should not be able to recover. Yeah, so guys, stop your boats. The under percentage is also reducing. And let me set up this boat again, because I'm seeing it is not recovering. That's very dangerous, because now it can make you it can make it very hard for you to recover your losses. Okay, yeah. So the 325 in the bag, not bad, but it could have been higher. Again, I know some performance by the bot once again. Only 2 losses, not bad. Okay, not bad. But if you see such a thing, it is better you reload the entire website. Okay, yeah, reload and then you start again, so that at least your bot, especially if you do not close your browser often, bots can behave that way. So you're supposed to be really careful with it. Be really careful with it. No. Okay, let me test and see. Okay, guys, how much profit have you made? Have you made on your side? How much profit have you made on your side? Yeah, I'm trying to fix it right now. I'm fixing it right now. Especially on my laptop, the laptop I usually use it to trade only. So most times I never even close the browser. I just close the laptop, open it, trade, close it. I trade, I close it. So I think that is one of the most influencing factors when it comes to bots. Okay. Yeah, Vincent, it's a reel. Here you are free to use a reel or your demo, but I use reel. Most people here use reel. Yeah, so reel is better because you get a benefit out of it at the end of the day. Okay, Shakanze 9 USD. Congratulations from my side. Okay, guys, I fixed it. Yeah, I was wondering what was going on. I've done a couple of trades in a particular market here, on a random market right now. Yeah, I fixed it. So yeah, you just reload your entire website and it will work out. Okay. Yeah, so I've just traded this market at a risky basis, but yeah, so it's not bad. Not bad. Okay. Yeah, so anytime you see a bot is not recovering, especially if you're using the candle mine, reload the entire Deriv.com website and then set up the bot, test it out to see if it is working and continue. Okay. Gloria Ken, 15 USD. Congratulations, guys. That is awesome. Enzo, your stop loss is the reason your bot could not have recovered. If not, the number of times your martingale and your stop loss. The number of times your martingale and your stop loss differs. Oh, my martingale. My stop loss. My stop loss. Oh, okay. No, my stop loss is actually 1500. So it could. I don't know why it has done that. I realize that when one says there's no under generated here, it means that the ticker touched 8 and digit 8 isn't over 8. The only over here, it means all over we see R9. No. Actually, when 8 is selected, you undergo a loss. Okay. Yeah. If you're trading under 8, if the bot, let's say, let me show you. Okay. If you're trading under 8 and 8 or 9 like here is selected, it's a loss for you. Okay. All the numbers that appear here should always be numbers below 8. Okay. If 8 happens to appear here or 9, you are in a loss. Okay. Yeah, 8 or 9. Let me see. Vision shots. I'm suggesting you create a channel where you communicate when you are starting like a WhatsApp group. Okay. I'll do that. In fact, I'll try and work on my Telegram issues, and I'll be sharing that link when we meet the next time, so that you guys can be able to at least see that. Okay. Yeah, in fact, let me try. I'll be trying right now and see if it will be able to work. Yeah, so that in case I just communicate so that you do not miss out by even 1 minute. All right. Okay. Steve Momo +10. Congratulations, Steve. Caroline Monde plus 16, congratulations. Samuel Mboro, and if it hits 8 or 9 twice, no one returns to that. Yeah. If it hits, you suffer large damage. I'm saying that for the red and greens that we... I'm saying that they are for the red and... Okay, Vision Shot Zion Direct, yeah. Enzo plus 7, congratulations. Steve Moore, please phrase your question properly. I'm having a hard time... I'm putting it into order. Okay, guys, I've tried. I've really tried with the app, but I can see now it is working. Okay, so this is our channel. Let me show you. So this is the channel we have on Telegram. I don't know. I'll try and share this link, but I don't know if YouTube will allow me. I will try and share it. I will put it in the description. Yeah, so that you guys can go and click it and join it. Okay. Yeah, I'll put it in the description right now, because when I put it in the comment, YouTube might do that thing. YouTube might do that thing which you don't want. Where is it? Where is that? Okay, so guys, I will try as much as possible to put it in the description. Alright, so that you guys can access it. Oh, I pin it here. Okay, let me try. I don't know if I'll be able, but let me try, so that you guys can at least copy that link. Farrell plus 17, congratulations. Snatcher plus 2 USD Drew. Though this no, a profit is a profit. Okay, anytime you're profitable, it tells you are doing the right thing. Okay, yeah. So whether on demo or if it is your real, be proud of your profits. Okay, yeah, they are worth it. Being profitable is a blessing. Marina, and your money you should use proper. Yes. Definitely. Vision Shots Volatility 10 is still good. Yeah, you can see it's still awesome. Okay, let me pin this link. Right now, because I can see most of you are asking about the link. Let me pin it. Okay. Let me pin it. Where is it? Where is this? Give me a minute. Where is this? Okay, Steve Momo nasema ikiguza 8 tutaona loss most definitely, but in the greens and red that we see being generated, nothing will show. You won't see and over. Reason being digit 8 is it over? Oh, I guess yeah, that's true. Yeah, sometimes these things can become really tricky. Alright, guys are still there. Okay, I'm trying to pin. Let me pin this link. I'm trying to pin the Telegram link. And please, guys, tell me if it will work. Okay? Yeah, I've pinned it right now. Let me now pin. Now is it? Alright, there it is. So, guys, try and use that link to join our Telegram. If it refuses, tell me. Okay? Yeah, Snatcher K also show us strategies for over 2 and under 7 etc. But this Snatcher K, I'll be showing you very shortly where you can get all those strategies. Yeah, in the Deriv Navigator, we have dedicated our time to ensuring that we have the best videos for you in terms of trading. Okay. All right, but before, let me check out. Okay, 10 index has become a bit corrupted. Yeah, so we can. Oh, it is not working. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. I'll sort it out. Okay. I'll sort it out. Yeah, it has been having a certain funny issue. Yeah, I will check it out, guys. I'll check it out. Okay, it's okay. Can you also in the link for DB Traders platform you are currently using, sir? Okay, DB Traders, guys, just this way. Let me show you. Literally, just come. Here it is. Literally, just type in dbtraders.com in whatever browser you're using, and then come to this part level analysis tool, and you'll see whatever I'm seeing right now. Okay, it is free for everyone, and you can use any that part. There's so many options to choose from. Okay, you don't have to choose the one I'm using. There's so many options. Okay. Yeah, I'll put it in the description because maybe YouTube has put some security measures to avoid such instances. Yeah, let me. I'll try and put it in the description. Yeah, and then you can access it from there. Okay. Yeah. Oh. If you find a good market in front of me, let me know. Okay, 10-1S is stabilizing. Let me check it out quickly. Where is it? 10-1S. 10-1S, where are you? 10-1S. All right, 10-1S under 8 is not bad. I can see the percentage is okay. So you have to wait for it to decrease so that you enter. But the main thing, the one thing why you cannot trade this particular market, Kanyambo and Enzo, is this. You see these two? All right. Let me tell you why. Okay, even leave this one alone. You can see the difference between the green circle and 6 is less than 0.1. So very soon, this green circle will come here. And remember, the green circle should be 2 to 3 numbers away. So the green circle should never ever be on 6, and it should never ever be on 7. So if it is too close to us, like in this instance, it can be a bit risky on our side. Okay? Yeah. Vision Shorts, what are your thoughts on Deriv? I don't know if there is something like Deriv funded accounts. I don't know if I don't know. I don't know if it is there. But they have never even thought about it. Okay, I usually hear about funded accounts in Forex, but in Deriv I've not yet heard about it. Yeah, but if you've heard about it, let me know. Let me know. If I hear about it, I will let you know in the channel. Okay? Yeah, as you guys know, when it comes to updates, number one, in terms of Deriv, we'll give you updates in real time. Volatility 100 is a bit risky because I can see 7 is too strong here. So this can be a bit risky. 8 is okay, 9 is okay. The green circle is okay. Let me check out the percentage is also okay, but the problem is that 7 is too strong. So this can be a bit risky. I told you guys this percentage should always be below 10.5 for your own safety. Okay? If it is too high above it, it is a bit risky. Are there Deriv prop farms? No, I don't think so. In binary, we do not have such things a lot. Most of those are most of these are actually found on Forex. On binary, we do not have most of this. Okay, as I told you, binary has not been. It's relatively like a new area. Okay, yeah, you know, Forex has been there for like tens and tens of years, but binary it's relatively like a new area. So yeah, it is not there. But if I hear something about it, I'll let you know. Okay, let me compare 25-1S and see how it is. 25-1S. Let me see how it is. 25-1S. All right, now this is nice, but again the problem is with the green circle once again. All right, so let me show you. So 0 is very okay, 1 is beautiful, 2 is very okay, but now this is the problem. The green circle, if you're trading over 1, should be 2 to 3 numbers. So if it is here, automatically out. If it is here, automatically out. The green circle should never be here, it should never be here. Okay, yeah, it should be far away from you as possible. Sometimes I get a pop to install the Deriv app. Yeah, it is safe. It is okay, right? Yeah. 25-1S green bar. Yeah, the green bar here is a problem. That is why I've said X, because it is too close to us. Let me check out 90-1S and compare with it. 90-1S, where is it? Where are you? 90-1S, let me see. 90-1S, 8 is very okay, 7 is okay, 9 is okay. The green percentage, okay, let me show you properly. The green percentage is very okay, and if I come down here, wow, now this one is a beautiful one. Guys, let us go quickly to our bots. Thank you very much, Vision Shots. Is it? No, Washira. Yeah, Washira. Let us go to 90-1S under 8 quickly. 90-1S under 8. 90-1S under 8. 90-1S under 8. Oh, in this particular, okay, I can see Chimash is asking, so what total did you make now? Asante sana for your accurate. I appreciate you. So I made about 325, and then 325 plus 187, that is about 500 and something. Yeah, 500 and something-ish. Around there. All right, let us go to volatility 91S. 91S quickly. 91S, we go to under 8. No, 91S under 8. Yes. 91S under 8, guys. Please let us not waste this under market. Remember, under markets are the markets we love. Let us not waste it, okay? 91S under 8, guys. Be ready. 91S under 8. 91S under 8. Yeah, let us go to 91S under 8 and trade it fast, because before it leaves us, I can see in this market 8 is extremely weak, which is one of the factors that we like a lot, okay? We like a lot. All right, be ready, guys. 91S under 8. Be ready on your side. 91S under 8, 91S under 8. Be ready on your side. Be ready on your side. 91S under 8 again. Be ready. When I say run, we run like no one's business, like our life depends on it, because it does, okay? So let us not waste this opportunity. All right, you're at 91.2. You're waiting for a good increase so that you enter. Remember, every time it has a decrease, losses happen. So you're supposed to become really careful with it, okay? You have to become really careful, otherwise it can be quite damaging at times, okay? All right, so everything is still fine. I can see the percentages are still very well positioned. So you just have to wait for the perfect moment and we snipe and enter that market as fast as humanly possible. Okay? Yeah. We are still there, we are still there, we are still there, we are still there. Yeah, we are still there. Guys, be ready, be ready, be ready. Please ensure you've already set your bot to volatility 90 on S under 8. Ensure you've set your bot to 1 tick and put your finger on the run button. And I say run, we run in. Do not, if you delay with even 1 second, it can cause a very large difference. Okay? So please be careful. My eye is on 7. I can see 7 wants to misbehave, but my eye is on it. I can see you very well. Okay? Yeah, if it goes to above 10.5, we have to wait. But if it stays at 10.5 and it goes lower, that is when you can continue trading. Okay? Yeah, so in this instance, so let us be patient. Let us be patient. Let us be patient. Enzo, I'll plan about that. I'm trying to find a way of initially integrate it properly. Yeah, I'll find a way around that. Oh, increase, please, increase. Give us something. We have to at least wait for a good increase so that we enter. At least let it go to 91.1. Because this one might be a false one, whereby when you start running your bot, the percentage suddenly, okay, run your bots now. Everyone run your bots. Where is my bot? Come here. Reset and run that bot now. Reset and run your bot. Yeah, I'm delaying. Run. Run your bots, guys. Run your bots. I have delayed a bit, but it's okay. And we are moving. I don't know why this loss is occurring, man. And I think it was because of this over trade. So you're supposed to be careful. Be careful with that. Sometimes it can be a bit damaging. Yeah, that one was a bit risky. You can see, oh guys, but something is happening. I've seen why you have suffered. Okay, once you reach 10 runs, stop your bot, and I'll be telling you why. Hey, but I think we'll even have to stop even before we reach 10. Yeah. So guys, once you do 8 runs, stop. You stop. Yeah, stop. Let us stop. Okay, let us stop. Stop and reset because 7 has become too strong. Yeah, let us stop and reset here. Yeah, 7 has left us. Yeah, stop and reset. Whatever you are, do not even continue. Yeah, you can see. Always ensure this percentage is below 10 at all times, no matter what. Once it goes to above 10.5, bad things happen. Like a lot of bad things happen. Okay? Yeah, you have to ensure it is below 10 at all times. Okay? And the lower it is, the better. All right? But then ensure at least, even though you're saying below 10.5, ensure it is not at 10. Ensure it is at 10.4321 going below. Okay? Because if it is here, you can start running your bot and then suddenly it goes to 10.8, okay? And by the time you realize you have suffered a lot of losses, so be careful. Hey, be careful, man, okay? Yeah, this one you have to find another one because I can see also this percentage is leaving us. I can see this percentage is moving all its power here. So also this percentage is going. It is leaving us. It is leaving us. So you have to change this particular one. 90 on S, you have to change this one. Let us go to another one. Yeah, this one is a bit, it's a bit shady. Just too shady. It can be a bit dangerous on our side. All right, let us find another one. There are so many markets to choose from. Let us not stick to one unfavorable one, okay? Yeah, and let us be quick. Hey, today the markets are very shy. They are hiding from us. They are hiding. Oh, in a shuka. Okay. Let me see. Okay, let us be patient. 91 S. Oh, okay. But the problem is that now this percentage is leaving us. See, this one is going away. So that again can be a bit tricky. Let me compare with 25 index and see which one between the two is actually much more better. Yeah, let me compare with the other one and see which one is. So 25, let me compare with 25 index. Kanyabu 25 index, I think I have a problem with it because of 8. 8 is too strong. And over 1 again is too strong. Guys, why are you saying 25? Or am I seeing something different from you? On my side, I can see volatility 25. 1 is 12%, which is a bit too much. And 8 is above 9.5. Again, which you do not want. Okay? Yeah, remember if you are trading under 8, this should be below 10.5. This should be below 9.5. This should be below 10.5, okay? And again, if you're trading over 1, this should be below 10.5. This should be below 9.5. This should be below 10.5 again, all right? Yeah, once you see that, also ensure the green circle is 2 numbers away from the number you're trading. And if you're trading over 1, this percentage should be more than 80. If you're trading under 8, this percentage should be more than 90. Okay, once you observe those, it will become a bit easy. Okay, yeah. All right, Steve, when you see losses occurring yet, Haoni, okay. Oh yeah, Steve, thank you very much. By the way, thank you. Yeah, I've always wondered why sometimes when you face a loss, when you go to check, you're not seeing any over. Oh, thank you very much for that. I appreciate you a lot. There's a big problem which is costing me losses. My DB traders platform from Nigeria is 6 seconds. God, I don't know why that is occurring. Literally, I don't know why. For the time difference, I don't think there should be any time difference. Okay? Yeah, because we are all accessing the same thing right now, like simultaneously right now. So I don't know why that is occurring. Enzo, how do you make a living from 100 USD? Let's say everything you could have. Okay, so everything you have taken could be taken for you to start from 100. Will you make it? Yes. Basically, just target 20% daily. Yeah, in fact, I told you guys I started 150. Like, okay, I blew like $1 accounts. Like, I blew a lot of, because what I could do is that I could deposit 10. Where is this thing? So I could deposit 10 USD. I blow it. I stay like 1 week. I deposit another 10. I blow it. Another 10. I blow it. So what I did, I saved up to 150. All right. Yeah, so from 150, now that is where I was able to target 20% daily. Some days I'll go a win, some days I lost, but the account was slowly going up. So at one point I found myself at 500. By the time I knew it was at 1,000, 1,200, 1,300, 14, 2, like that. Okay, yeah, just target 20% daily. Even if the market is the most beautiful market you've ever seen, even if you've incurred a lot of profits in a row, do not pass 20% in a day. All right. Yeah, remember, over trading also clouds your judgment, and it might lead to you incurring some more losses. Okay. Yeah, so be careful with that. Okay, Kenyambu, brief, what are the conditions for trading over one? All right, so guys, okay, let me show you the video. All right, yeah, because I want you guys to watch these videos, because I like the videos, because now you can keep on going back to them. All right, so basically you come to a playlist called Over Under quickly. There's a playlist called Over Under. Where is that playlist right now? So you come to that view playlist and check out this video. In fact, I've already made a video about it. Yeah, you can see it right here. So we have the over one. Literally, let me show you guys. Over one, this one, over one, analysis tool strategy. Over two, analysis tool strategy. How over under and under. Okay, let me focus. How over and under trading works on Deriv. I've made a very nice 8-minute video for you right there. Under 8 analysis tool strategy, it is there. There are so many videos for you here. Okay, we have made every particular video tip you might want. So if you want, again, I've also made another introduction video to over under. It is there. All right, there are so many videos for you. So please ensure you check it out. Okay, Kanyambo, I cannot give you like a fixed time, because okay, most days, yes, I was incurring a profit, but some days I was hitting my stop loss at times. Okay, yeah, I will not lie to you that every day was a profit when I was starting. No, some days I could hit a stop loss. So you find that today I'm at a loss, tomorrow I encounter a good profit, the other day a profit, the other day a loss. So it took quite a bit of time, but to 10,000, it took me like a couple of, like a three to four. No, I think it took me like a 4 to 5 months, I guess. Yeah, for around 4 to 5. Because again, sometimes you might find that you might not be able to trade because you're going somewhere or something. So about 4 to 5. Yeah, about 4 to 5. But if you become serious, you can achieve it in a month. Actually, it is very possible. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 101S. Let me check it out. 101S. Let me see how it is doing. 101S over 1. All right, 101S over 1. Let me check out the percentage quickly. Everything is fine down here. Up here, everything is also not bad. Things are not bad. Sorry. Okay. Let us go. Okay, guys, let us go to volatility 101S over 1 quickly. Go to your board, set it to volatility 101S over 1. Yeah, 101S over 1. 101S over 1. Be ready with your bot, as I am ready with my bot right now. Volatility 101S over 1. Be ready. Be ready. You are at 81.2. Be ready on your side. Volatility 101S over 1. Be ready on your side. I'm at 81.1, so you're supposed to be very ready. Okay, all right, we're at 81.1. Still, we're still there. Still hold on. 81.0. Still hold on. 81.1. Still okay. 81.0. Still. Now we have to wait for an increase. Remember, an increase is what will tell us to enter. Sorry, an increase. Yeah, If you're having a decrease, it tells us to, hey, just wait a bit before you enter. Okay. Yeah, you can see every time you see a decrease, losses, a loss. So you have to ensure this percentage is always moving up. If it moves down, a loss. Okay. So you're supposed to be very careful. Yeah, Kenyambu, you're very welcome. Yeah, it is encouraging. You just have to, just be careful. Observe a lot of discipline. Yeah, every day 20% you're out, 20% you're out, 20% you're out, 20%. You'll just one day you just wake up, you notice your account is at $750. Another day 1,000, 12, 13. By the time you know it, 2,000. And remember, in growing an account, the higher you go, the more profits you get. Okay. Yeah. So imagine with a $10 account, you get a profit of only 2. Okay. Yeah. Let us wait. It's okay. With a $10 account, you only get a profit of 2. With a $100 account, you get a profit of 20. With a $1,000 account, you get a profit of 1,200. So the higher you go, the quicker you'll grow your account and the more profits you'll get in the process. Okay. Yeah. So it will be nice. It will be very nice. Okay. Yeah, 100 is shifty. Like I'm telling you, today the markets are moving extremely, like they are so fast. Like our market is good, but the time you finish setting your boat and you come back, things have changed. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know why that is occurring, but hey, be careful. Hey, you're supposed to be really careful. Yeah, I can see the percentages are gone. It's okay. You can always find another one. Okay. There are so many options to choose from. You don't have to stick to one. Okay. There are so many options you can choose from. It's okay. We'll just find another one. All right. If you don't find another one, again, tomorrow is another day. You do not have to force. Okay. You don't have to force. There is always the next day. Okay. Yeah. All right, 75 per NES is not favorable. Let me leave that one alone. Let me go to volatility, 75 index. Yeah, Eshakanza, today the markets are a bit tricky because, again, today you have really struggled to find even. Today you have only done one good trading session, okay? It has taken us a lot. And it is very, like yesterday we found, we were actually trying not to overtrade. The markets were so good yesterday, we were trying not to overtrade. In fact, I think so on my side, I overtraded by more than, because yesterday I was targeting about 15. And I think I got like 18 or 19 something. So I actually went up a bit. So it fluctuates. Some days are good, some days are bad. But the main thing is that ensure you find a good market. If you lack one, come back and at another time or the next day. But never force a trade where it does not belong to. Okay? Things usually become bad really fast. So you're supposed to be very careful when it comes to that. Okay? Yeah, DB Trader is not friendly to Nigeria. We are 6 seconds behind. Please vote Nigeria. I don't know. Jimoside, what that is occurring and how it can be. I don't know. Literally, I don't know why that is. If you see that, you can just use the official website. Yeah, you can just use the official website for your analysis if you're seeing that that party website is unreliable. Okay. I told you guys that party websites are nice, but again, if you see they're disturbing you, yeah, just leave them. The analysis tool you have on the Deriv is much very okay. So you don't have to stick to this one, which ends up giving you a lot of distress. Volatility 25 Enzo is a bit tricky again because 8 is too strong here, and I can also see 1 also is a bit too strong. So again, this can be a bit of a dangerous situation. Navigator, with your permission, can I share my number here? At least I find a partner to trade with at other times in our lives here. Please, I'll really appreciate. Okay. Steve, first of all, one thing about okay, I don't know, you can try, but the Deriv usually very no. Actually, what you can do is you see, you have a group already, so you can go to the group and ask there, okay? And also, I'll also share the link to the Telegram. Yeah, because now when people start sharing their personal information, YouTube are very strict about that, and it can be a bit tricky, okay? Yeah, Chima satisfied, sir. Thank you, very welcome. Ajarian Chief, tell these people in Kenya to follow this site entries. To follow the site for entries. I don't understand, Jerry. Ishakanze, I'm out of the market to guys. Let us try. Yeah. I think I'll also close here because I'm seeing today it's a bit tricky. Transmission has YouTube has always has transmission delays. Again, I don't know, but okay, most times it is not. Okay, YouTube are very like the quality of the transmission is high, so there's so many more chances that the delay might occur. But yeah. Also, but whatever I've set up here, also ensure I've already set up the same thing. Okay? Yeah, so that if you see something is wrong here, you can always let me know. But most times I usually see whatever is happening here is what is happening on your sides. But yeah, if you can depend on the site as I'm trading, also do as I'm doing, you'll be okay. Steve, thanks. Kindly help us with the group link. Okay, so I hope guys you have joined the WhatsApp group. But the WhatsApp group can be a bit full. I don't know. Let me try. And I told you guys sometimes I'll be coming here. I'll set up my phone while facing here so that you guys can be discussing. Even if I'm not there, you can discuss on your own. Yeah, so that you trade together here on the live stream. Okay, while you're chatting, talking with each other, it will be a very good way to build a connection and to basically trade together. With the crypto maintenance schedule around this time, no, it will not affect it greatly. But in case you notice, no, BMJ, was there any crypto maintenance today? Was there any crypto maintenance today? Let me know. I've not seen any. Kanyambo 15 is stabilizing, I'll see it. Chimash, Kijana MJ is satisfied, made 6 USD amount. Congratulations, that is awesome. Yeah, let us meet tomorrow, guys. I think tomorrow, yeah, we'll come back and we continue and see if at least the market will be a bit more conducive. Because today it has been very, very tricky. Yeah, Kanyambu 15 has a problem with cause 1 is too strong here, and also you can see 7 also is too strong here. So these two can cause us some disadvantages. Okay, yeah. So guys, I think we can come back tomorrow. We continue pushing strong. Yeah, about the timing, we can agree at which time is nice so that at least I can set up the phone and you guys can trade together. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, please ensure WhatsApp me after the live stream. I'll be there. Okay. Apart from that, guys, I appreciate you being here. Thank you very much for joining the live, and let us meet tomorrow. Cheers.